Welcome back to another video. Today we got a parking lot sale from Harbor Freight. It's not really a parking lot sale as they used to be, but now they're probably like sidewalk sales or inside sales. Hardly any Harbor Freight that does have a parking lot sale. But yeah, we got Harbor Freight 3 days only, extended store hours 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, regular hours on Sundays. Liquidation sale. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. We got hundreds of open box factory recondition as it is closeouts, scratch and dent items. It says Friday, Saturday, Sunday, January 10, 11, and 12. So it's this weekend. Okay, let's see here. Few good deals here. Well, actually, we got some good deals. We got not a bad deal at all. Earthquake XT, 20 volt max or lithium ion extreme torque impact wrench. It does have a battery and a charger for $229.99. I gotta tell you guys, not a bad gun, especially if you have a shop and you're in a budget. This will get the job done. It will definitely help you out. If you're a DIY, this is definitely gonna help you out, because it's a really powerful gun here. You got the Braun 5000 Lumen LED hanging shop lights, $19.99. This is probably one of the best items that Harbor Freight offers, at least on these parking lot sales. These lights have always been great. There's no reason for somebody that needs one not to get it, unless the Costco ones are available. If the Costco ones are available, go for the ones on Costco. But yeah, this is for $19.99. It's fine, because the only difference between these and the Costco ones, because the Costco ones are linkable. These are not. But still, you can put them under the same wire and turn them on and off in the same extension. So it's the same. You can make it work. You got the heavy duty 3-ton steel floor jacks for $79.99. And then you have the same, but in the Daytona edition. This is a great price, guys. $79.99 is one of the lowest. I believe on the Black Friday sale we had it for $79.99. So this is a great price. Definitely recommend that for you guys. That's a smoking deal. And we got the professional 3-ton. This guy, we seen this for $10 cheaper. So it's not really necessarily the best deal, but still a great item for under $100. But yeah, I believe on the Black Friday sale we saw this for $89.99. But yeah, $99. It's a good item there. And then we got save up to 88%. Here just some of the items. So we got some of the items here. I'm not gonna go over all these items. Obviously there's a lot of them, so you would have to look at those items when you're at the parking lot sales or watch my videos. As you guys know, I do go to the stores and film all the open box items, all the blowout sales that they have here. All those items, I go to the stores physically and film all that for you guys. So be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be going on Friday. Hopefully I can have that video up by around 2 o'clock or so, if I don't have any, if I have a light day at work. So hopefully I can get that for you on Friday, so you guys can look at the deals. You got plus blowout sales. Discounted get bigger every day. 50% off, 60% off, 93% off. You know what, guys? It doesn't work like this. I know they're advertising it like that, but they're not really. I believe the first Saturday you get 25% off. And then Sunday in the morning around 8 o'clock when they open, you get the 50% off. So if you're gonna, if you want to get the best deals, I would definitely go on Sunday morning when they open up. As soon as they open. Says final day, shop early for the best selection. Obviously that's what I just said. Limited quantity selection varies by store. You got the Franklin 17 feet Type IA multi-task ladder, $99.99. It's a great deal. I believe this is one of the lowest we've seen. You got the airless paint sprayer, $164.99. I believe these on the Black Friday sale, we saw them a little bit lower. This one we saw it for $89.99, and this one we saw it for $149.99. So yeah, not the best price on these. I mean, this one's okay. It's only $5 more, so that one's fine. But yeah, this one we did see it lower for $149.99, which was a smoking deal on the Black Friday deal. All right, you got January 10th, 11, and 12, 3 days only. Okay, same thing. This is these are not bad prices, guys. 219. I mean, the lowest we seen, I believe, the Black Friday sale was $200, or either that or another sale. Like I said, not a bad deal. This is usually a little bit more. So this is a great deal too. These are bunker here lights. They're pretty good. I got the old version of this black one. It still works. You know, it's not like super bright light. It's only 500 lumen. So you know for a fact that you're not getting like a super bright light. You're getting like a decent, maybe what is it, a 50 watt or a 40 watt bulb. Basically, that's what you're getting. For $23 and solar, that is definitely a great deal. If you guys haven't checked out my video, be sure to check it out. Just put solar security lights Toolhead 147 up on the search section of YouTube, so you can watch my video. That's an old video, by the way. You got a 13-piece half-an-inch drive deep impact socket set, $17.99, guys. If you don't have any of these sockets, go get them. Usually we see this for $20 for $19.99. They're $2 off, so if you get both of them, you're gonna save yourself $4. So you get both sets, you get the SAE and metric. These are great. I use these a lot. I beat these up with impact guns. I do own an air impact gun and do own this gun. And let me tell you guys, these sockets, they will handle everything that you put on them. Even if they don't handle it, they got a lifetime guarantee because they are a Pittsburgh lifetime guarantee. But I haven't broken one. I just can't break one. They're just probably unbreakable. And I haven't heard anybody that's broken one of these yet. So far, 20 volts lithium, half-an-inch impact wrench, $89.99. This is not a bad impact gun, especially for the DIY. If you're taking off a regular vehicle, a car, a regular truck, this is fine. I believe trucks are torqued to 140, and regular cars are like 80 or 90 or something like that. So this is great. This is great for that. If you're going to be doing semis and big buses and all that, this is not going to work for you. Get the earthquake. Get the one from the top here. This one. That is the big boy right there. But yeah, for a vehicle, that should be fine. You got the 50 feet commercial power feed drain cleaner, $2.99. Not a bad deal. I do have the portable one. Not the portable one, the Bauer. And I gotta say that thing's, I spent $100 on it, $99. I used it a total of 4 times already. I clogged my drain 4 times. So just imagine if I had to call a plumber, how much money would it be on each time? So that how much money I saved already with that thing. That thing's an auto feed. You only have to push the lever forward and back, and you don't even have to get dirty, basically. You got 4,375 watt max starting, external line. I have a generator, guys. I have the older version of generator. Works great. You can use all sorts of power tools and all that. Heavy duty generator there, $349.99. However, if you guys want to get a smoking deal, like I said, the open box items, these items here, the 50% off, watch my videos and subscribe. If you guys want to see one of those videos right now, you guys could look at parking lot sales, Toolhead 147. Look at my videos and look at the prices. Last time I went to Harbor Freight, I bought one of these, not this one, the older version, which is the 4,000 watt generator. I got it for $125. So that tells you a lot. And basically, it was a brand new item. So you got good, better quality. Let's see here. Not the greatest deals, but yeah, they work. We used to see this for $149.99. Haven't seen that lately. This is an upgraded version of this. So if you guys need the better gauges, the better valves placements, everything, just the better, pretty much overall, definitely worth the money. These batteries are the Harbor Freight's top of the line batteries. I have a few of them here, but I just haven't tried them yet. Haven't had time, but I will try them out for you. $4.99 is not a bad deal, even if they don't last like a Energizer, but they last close, close to an Energizer or Duracell. This thing, it's still $4.99. It's a freebie there. 7-inch industrial tile brick saw, $199.99. My cousins, they do tile for a living. I have a lot of cousins, obviously. If you guys hear me talking about my family, but yeah, my cousins do tile. As a matter of fact, they were just finishing up a house last week, like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, they have the Chicago Electric. The Chicago Electric, it's a small saw. It does the job. It's just you can't just you can't cut really quick with it. You got a 22-piece asymmetric combinations wrench, $12.99. Not a bad deal for that. It's always been $19.99. Let's see here. We got the Bauer 20-volt lithium compact drill drivers, $59.99. We saw these for $54.99 at the Black Friday sale. So like I said, not a bad deal. $60. We'll get you an impact driver or a drill driver. If you're a DIY, heavier DIY, you do a little bit more projects than average. I would definitely go Bauer and up. So Bauer or Hercules. Hercules is more inclined to the professional or heavy duty DIY. These are mostly just DIY, home use type of thing. These are great, guys. Definitely recommend it at this price. Definitely a great deal. I believe on Black Friday they had these for $29.99. But still, $5 more. Definitely a great deal. These lights are great. Definitely recommend these lights, especially for $10. Great. Let's see here. These gloves are great, especially if you're doing cleaning. I would not recommend you guys if you guys are doing mechanic work, only for cleaning, lighter duty work or handling chemicals. You got angle grinder here, good old angle grinder for under $10. It's always been $10 on the parking lot sales. It's a great hose there. I just got one, by the way. Works pretty good. These Jupiter inverter, they will do the work. They will do the job. Now they'll power you a power tool, so they will work. Usually on the parking lot sales, we see this for $289. I believe it was $289 on the Black Friday sale too. These did go up on price. I believe $189 is the lowest we've seen them so lately. But I believe we don't have a coupon for $189 anymore. So $189.99 is the lowest. We have a coupon for $149 for the 4-drawer tech carts. If you guys need that coupon, I believe you guys could go to or you guys, leave me a comment down below if you guys need the coupon. I can probably go ahead and get it to you. Or you can try downloading an app, a coupon app from Harbor Freight, and you can get it there too. You got the Admiral and the Hercules, better and best. Guys, I do have the Admiral. This thing's great. I do have a couple of videos. I was installing some baseboards the other day, and the day became night, so I had to work at night. And this thing has a nice LED light, a nice laser. Everything. You have the bevel controls here, right there. So you loosen up this, and you don't have to reach all the way to the back. You can do everything from here. You can do the angles from here, just like a regular. Yeah, this thing's great. Definitely recommend it for you guys. Oh, this light actually, it's more expensive than what it used to. The Black Friday sale, we had this for $18.99. They went up in price. Let's see here. So great jack stands. Always, well, we haven't always seen them, but yeah, lately we have seen them for $17.99. Same thing with this. We've seen this for $17.99. Well, actually, $19.99 was the lowest, and 17, so it's a couple dollars off. So definitely worth it. I do have these. They work pretty good. Let's see here. Always been $30, and then you got the electric chainsaw. This is great if you don't want to spend a lot of money there. You know, this is $40 will get you a tree cut there. All right, this is the drain cleaner I was telling you guys about. I didn't know that we had it here. But yeah, this is the drain cleaner. I do have a few videos, a couple videos actually, of this thing. And like I said, it's been saving me a lot of money, especially if I don't have to call a plumber. And if I can just fix this with $100 one-time use or one-time pay and multiple time use. Anyways, that's it for today. Short video, or actually a longer video than what I thought it was. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for those parking lot deals. I will go on Friday, and we'll see you guys on the next one.